Juicing helps battle diabetes. As you probably know, with type 2 diabetes, your body becomes increasingly resistant to insulin produced by the pancreas. Research shows that eating raw foods can help combat diabetes. Raw foods supply nourishment to your body and stabilize your blood sugar in ways that only raw food can. In the past, experts have cautioned people with diabetes to stay away from sugars, even the ones found in fruits. Recently, that opinion has changed, and we have found particular nutrients such as vitamins A, B, E, and iron, potassium, etc., found in fresh fruits and vegetables, aid in managing the disease naturally. Vitamin B7 found in mangoes, nectarines, and peaches helps your digestion and activates enzymes. Diabetes means that your body fails to process sugars that you eat, and your digestive health is important. Then there is manganese, which is found in carrots, celery, cruciferous vegetables, garlic, beet greens, parsley, and spinach. It helps lower insulin resistance and improve glucose metabolism. Juicing is an easy, great way to optimize your health and energy. With juicing, you can alter recipes and make juices that meet your own needs and taste. If you learn about the vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that aid your own condition, then you can make a wide variety of wonderful recipes that will improve your health. If you've ever wondered about the effectiveness of juicing as a nutritional tool, then you've come to the right place. I'd like to invite you to our website, which was created to show the value of juicing and to provide everything you need to get started. Come to ejuicingbenefits.org and grab our free 10-part mini-course, which is designed to provide all of the information you need to know how to get started juicing quickly. That's www.ejuicingbenefits.org and grab that free mini-course. Thank you.